We have the Mwango.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? Some of you are like, D is lost, D was robbed, D was... No guys, I'm safe, feeling good. Happy New Year guys, I missed you so much. Team Kino, how is everybody doing? So I missed you guys. Hopefully you all doing good. I'm doing good myself, as you all see, glowing, feeling good, feeling nice. Everything is okay.
Rolling pin out.
Yes, the rolling pin, and then you have the thing to cut it out, put the meat inside and close it, you know.
So Kina,
yes,
this is how they knead the bread. The guys the bread.
Yeah, for me.
Okay. After they knead it,
Big machine.
Yeah, they transfer it from over here, bring it over here, and get it all tuned up nice and flat. And this is what it kind of like
After.
Yes. And they cut it, yeah, and they knead it, and that's the Gaza there.
Right.
But we have different type of bread. We have like 7 big bread, like 2-3 pounds,
Yeah.
2 pound, 1 pound.
Okay.
Alright.
No. Hold on. Rima. Hey, get them it again. Get them. Like that. Yeah, step up it. Yeah, man.
We have step up in their life, then they like that. We are about them all
like newspaper. Hello, big up. Big up. Every time.
No vlog, dream team. One dream team.
Where you hide the face, sir? Where you hide the face, sir?
Yes.
So I guess they deliver to other places as well too?
No, well, we
are
have
just here.
people that goes out and sell bread for us. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
A few people, but we're trying to get there. You know.
Okay.
We are working on that.
Okay, so it's like you deliver them, or you just sell it on the street, or there's a space where you're selling it?
Well, we have we had about 3 workers that they have their little district that they go and supply them with bread.
Okay.
Yeah, so they buy from them. You know, it's like on a regular.
Yeah.
Every week.
Okay.
Every week, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. So we're here looking out, from looking up and looking down from the tree house. That is it. Didi.
Yes.
Didi.
You know.
We have the Mwango.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? Some of you are like, D is lost, D was robbed, D was... No guys, I'm safe, feeling good. Happy New Year guys, I missed you so much. Team Kino, how is everybody doing? So I missed you guys. Hopefully you all doing good. I'm doing good myself, as you all see, glowing, feeling good, feeling nice. Everything is okay. This is 2024, keeping it positive and keeping it locked. The year of smiling and laughter and success, and we all gotta leave it to God this year. Though personally, I have nothing to fight or nothing to, we're just gonna leave it on God the whole year. So let me know if you if it's the same with you too as well. And remember, this year we need to get Kino to 100k subscribers, you guys. This year we have to get there, right Kino? So please subscribe and welcome back. We're back together.
Well. I'm here, the last ninja. I'll return. Let them say return of the Jedi. Them team are gone, but my back no. Return like the new Jedi. Tell bad minds and nobody try. Hey.
That is it.
Sing that one there. Them team are gone, but my back no. Return like the new Jedi. Tell bad minds and nobody try. Watch I.
You created that just now?
Just now.
Guys, you see 2023. You see
2024.
Yeah, 2024. So
yeah.
you see how we look?
So,
round. like a dumpling. So we're gonna keep it locked the whole year.
Mhm.
Okay? We're gonna add more and more. No,
Yeah.
no.
She's gonna look like a big mama.
Of course, I'm a big mama already.
She's a big mama.
Anyway, guys, I'm so happy to say hello to you guys, just to get to know I'm doing good. Kino has been away. He needed to do his thingo, and of course, you know, he just have to do it. Okay, and yeah, I don't object that, because you know you have to support each other in whatever that you guys do. But I'm grateful Kino is back again, guys.
Yes, so the ninja is back, so you don't have to worry. She's safe while she's in Jamaica and she's
Of
around
course.
Kino.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah, so I'm glad to be back in the countryside. Look at that view.
It's beautiful.
Just
It's
look
beautiful.
at
It's
that
lovely.
view. You see up there, I need to send the drone go all the way up there.
Yeah.
Straight up there and see how far it can go. But look at that, guys. It's going all the way up. You know?
This is where I'm living, guys. I love it.
I never seen a view like this before. Normally you see the view it go down.
Down, yeah,
You
but
know,
this is going up. Yeah.
You know, it's so up. So up there is more up.
Yeah.
Like, my life.
Jamaica is beautiful. For those who think Jamaica is not beautiful, and that's why I'm still in Jamaica. Like, my love for this country, I just don't know. It's just something else. Big up Jamaica. Beautiful country. The most beautiful island in the entire world. Get it right from me. I've been to so many countries, actually, like 40 countries so far. To me, Jamaica is top on the list.
Yeah, man, Jamaica is beautiful, man.
And safe
Wonderful.
and good people everywhere. You see, Kino, without you, still good. You see, and nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
Yeah.
She said nothing. She get in the patois. She's not saying nothing. She said nothing.
Nothing
Imagine
at all.
that. She
Nothing
come here
at
within 2-3 months. She has speak patois. You
Because
know?
I love it.
She forgot
I
about
love
Swahili.
it. Me love it so much.
She love it. She love it so much.
The
Imagine
most
that.
interesting language that I know. What do I
Patois.
always tell you? Patois comes number one. Dog.
Yeah, for you. And I guess she never know about the patois, you know. She never have a clue about patois till when she arrived in Jamaica. The first week, she didn't understand
Nothing.
not
At
nothing,
all.
nothing. You know, not nothing, nothing. But now she saying nothing, something. Huh? What you say? What?
Only for words.
What? Oh, where you gone? Where you there? No more
I
where
know
you
exactly
are.
where me I go.
And she know, and like she does say, you don't know how the thing go. All these things. Imagine that.
I love it.
She never have to go to no patois school, learn no patois in
Because I
no
love
class.
the country, and because I just walk on the street, talk to people, you know, just have a good time with them, and that's how I get to know how it goes, guys.
Yeah, man, Jamaica, the vibes. Oh, guys, so guess what now? The sun is
We feel like
out.
we wanna celebrate independence.
Like it's
Day
independent. Hey, the house is shaking. Remember, we're in the tree.
on top of the tree.
We're on top of the tree. We're not fruit, nor limb. We don't want to fall out or fall off. Imagine that. We're the branches on this tree right now.
Oh, another thing, I was forgetting. Thank you so much to Yvette.
Yvette.
Oh my
Yvette,
gosh, you
Yvette.
guys. I don't know what to say.
Yvette.
Thank you so much. Yesterday, I was like, what? Nobody has ever done this to my life. Like, you know, mostly when people are gifting you, they just send you money. You do anything that you want. But this time round, she went to the store, shopped a lot of whole heap of things for me, and I was like, God bless her so much.
Yes,
so thank you
Yvette.
so much. I received my package. God bless you. May you never lack, you know. May you keep on having more and more. And thank you so much once again.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Yvette. We thank you so much for the package. I thank you so much for my envelope. Trust me, I was overwhelmed with it. I was so happy. You know, it helped me out along the way. So I thank you so much. And I hope you're having a wonderful new year. Anywhere you are right now watching from, and guys, same to you. Have a wonderful new year. I hope this year bring prosperous, nothing but more blessings, more positivity. So leave the haters them alone. Just say I am by to them. I know
This
moving
year,
forward.
no access. You
Nah.
know? No access.
All door closed.
Personally, all door closed. No
So
access.
all door closed. So we're looking from a distance, you know. As I say, sometimes when we're ready, we can give them a support and say, "Oh, you do it? Hello, bad mind. Good morning." Yeah. I know you never want to see me wake up. Fi keep. Hey, hello, bad mind. How you doing today? How you
gonna
doing
change.
today? Yeah, man. So sometimes say good mind, bad mind. How you doing? You're alright, we're living fine. We give thanks to the Almighty for the sunshine. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful island. So guys, stay tuned. You know we're gonna go anywhere the sun shine, and I guess the sun is shining that direction, so that's where we're gonna go. So give the video a like, check out the Mongo, the link will be in the description. You know how it goes. Blessed love,
That
dream
is
team,
it.
one
Team.
It's the only real team. I'm just walking and talking as usual right now. So blessed love, as you can see, the wonderful greenery and the lovely scenery. So I hope you guys having a wonderful day anywhere at all you are in this world watching from. I hope you're having a lovely and wonderful day, and I hope you're having a beautiful new year. So tell me how the new year start off for you. Just tell me how your new year looking so far. Because mine is looking beautiful, because you know why? I've got life. So each day I wake up and I got life, is even more beautiful and beautiful once we got life, right? So guys, I'm walking backwards. You know why I'm walking backwards? Because you know GoPro, the sun, sometimes you have to get the sunlight direct to you so you can get a good lighting, because otherwise it will look dark like this where you cannot see me. So I have to always turn it like this. So I'm back here. So D is at the tree house getting ready, you know, so stay tuned. I'm just gonna walk and stretch my legs and everything. As you can see, I don't know the name of this tree. Imagine there's so many trees, only if you know the name. So I wonder if I could give this tree a name. Call it Kedingo tree. This is the Kedingo tree. So any tree I see and I don't know the name, I'm gonna give it a name. So I guess, oh, that's how it goes. So this is the Kedingo tree. You know, this tree has been here from 1990, I guess, right? So guys, I'm just making my own history and naming my own tree. So this is the Kedingo tree. It's good for look at. It's good for looking at, you know. Not really much health benefit, but it's good for shelter. Alright, so this Kedingo tree. Let me find another tree so I can name it. You know, but I like put name on stuff. So guys, whenever I see a tree looking like this, just remember that Kino named this tree Kedingo tree, right? So let me see if I can find any more tree in the country. No, I cannot name this. This is grass. I already have it named already. So here it is again, Kedingo tree, named by Kino. Kino named this tree Kedingo tree, right? It was originated in the 1990s, you know, and named by me, Kino Life in Jamaica. So it's named Kedingo tree. Kedingo tree. So welcome to the Kedingo life. Street life, walking down in the sentence like fresh air, fresh air, fresh air, fresh air, fresh air, fresh air, fresh air. As you can see, you see. Yes guys, so I'm rolling around in this wonderful gated community. So as you can see, my first ever name in a tree, Kedingo tree. So that's the Kedingo tree. Whenever you see it anywhere at all, it's named Kedingo tree. Imagine me I walk and naming the trees them that already got a name. But yeah, I'm going to the tree tax office. Then you can register your own tree name. So I guess I'm gonna register that name, Kedingo tree. Right? Come like to the country. Seems like the country breeze is getting to me already. You know, so I'm just gonna go walk and talk. Right guys? Just tell me what you think. There's a river down there. Wow. There's a fall right there, the river is running. I feel like there's a fall there. There's the river. Listen to this sound, you know, all nature vibes, deep meditation. There's not a walkway where you can walk to go to that direction, and you can see it from over here. Wow. Uncle, where can you walk to go down there, sir? Where can you walk to go down there? Where? Through there? Oh. Is this clean? Oh, the river water, right?
Yeah, man.
Where is it running from? Where is this water running from? Clarendon way? But anyway, my name is Kino. I'm a YouTuber. Hello. I'm a YouTuber, Kino Life in Jamaica. I'm just walking and exploring the place. You know? Are your daughter that? So where you say we can walk down here, right? Is it swimmable to swim in?
No, can I wash over? Yeah, I can.
Say clean and
Yes, man, yes, man.
okay. Got the first me I see it. So you have nice. You drink this water?
No, it's not a water to drink.
It's not to drink.
No, I don't really water. It's not edible.
You can't drink.
It's not edible.
But
Sharp man, how much you used to live? You ever drink that water?
you never drink that.
So you ever drink it yet, miss?
No, no. Why would you?
So years you don't live right here, sir? So if you live here so long and you never drink it yet, and it's coming from so.
Drink, you know. Never tell us that you cannot drink.
Mm-hmm.
When like when rain fall, you know,
Yeah,
and the river clean, yeah, you can't drink.
can't drink it.
But when it like in the summer now, you know, the river stagnant.
I kind of come down now, so
Yeah,
I kind of
yeah.
clear.
So we get rain from the New Year start.
Yeah,
And when the top get rain, so you know it clean.
Yeah.
Swim, you know,
Swim.
everything.
We're right there, so where the bridges, where the fall is, look deep though.
You can, that's what I'm not just here.
I have to show me what that's why.
Not just here to walk.
Sharp man, they make me look tally, man.
What me don't want. That you.
Oh, it look clean.
Walk right here and go straight around. You can't just walk here and go straight around. Nothing out
Okay.
here, nobody not.
Yeah. Good. Good. I like it, man. So it wasn't this heavy though. It's because the rain been
No,
falling.
just through the rain fall.
Normally you won't get so much water, right? But this should be though. Can you imagine you sitting down listening to this? You
When
know?
the river come in, they are up here, so
Where up here, sir?
right there, see them bowl. When you come down, you're right, you are up here, see them bowl.
Yeah.
Right
Okay.
up this side.
So it really come that high?
Yes, man.
Mm.
Yes, man. We are some
And it don't seem like that. It don't seem like that type of
river.
yeah. Or come
Remember,
down.
see, a water coming from all direction, you know. All come cut off community where the water come down. So everything comes from down.
Okay. Wow.
So you have
So
to
is
do
this
it.
a family land?
Yeah, man. a family.
Oh. So now related and everything.
Yeah.
Now but nice land here, you know. Imagine there transforming this into an Airbnb. Right where the river is. You think about that? You should. You know? Because you have a nice piece of land in a nice location right next to a river as well too. You know? Even build up a shackle. You don't have to be concrete, you can build up something nice with same flyboards and everything.
But you have a fire water around here.
And even the fire water, yeah. And even the fire water, so you have good
man.
You have good activity near you. Right? Have you been living here for much years now?
Because it's about 15.
15 years. And this land is definitely yours where you can.
You nearly gone to work right now. So.
Yeah. Listen, you like got some gold mine. This is gold mine, you know, for business. It will be nice. Trust me. Just think about it. You know, you can build something like this, looking like this shop, but more with more new plies and zincs, right? And get the Airbnb site, and you put that up for bookings. That's business there, you know. I'm telling you, this is gold mine, man. We just have to just utilize what we have.
Yeah.
Not waiting on something to drop from the sky, but just utilize what we have.
Yes, man. Everything's so happening.
Yes, man. Trust me. To start save $5,000, put it down to start buy a ply and them stuff, and create it. Surprised to see how many people been calling to bookings. You got no room for people anymore.
Yes.
Because remember over here you got Airbnb, and right here you got Airbnb. You have the fire water not far around there, and plus you have your river running right here.
You have everything.
You have everything. You have a lot of banana trees in the yard and everything. You know, mango, because I can see mango and tree up there. You have everything. Nothing at all for you to worry about in life, man.
Yeah, right.
Take my foolish advice. Yeah?
It's alright.
Big up.
Alright with that.
Yeah, so I'm going to check out the river down here.
Alright.
And you see the community is good and everything.
Yeah, man.
See? People is safe.
No one can go something.
Yeah. So guys, let me show you the river. Let me say, we Jamaicans, boy, sometimes we're sitting on the gold mine and we don't try to utilize it. You know, like we're waiting on something to drop from sky. You know, or waiting on a big surprise. But if they all could come together and create something, that's what we lack as well, to be unity amongst each other. But look at this. This is a nice river right here. How wonderful is this? Look. Wow. And the guy said sometimes when it's like the river really come down. Hey! Hey! I'm doing your showering. Yeah, shower me with rubbish. I'm doing here a promote the wonderful river. Eh? Right now it's clear. You want to clean more? Imagine, look at this. That's what I was saying. Yeah, imagine it. I was here talking about this wonderful river, and the man was throwing a lot of leaves from up there for it to wash down in the river. So I guess, you know, it definitely would need some cleaning up, you know. But as I can, from what you can see, you know, it's nice, beautiful. You know, you got some nice sun here as well. It's very soft. You know, very soft, guys. Trust me, this is lovely. You know. Lovely. And we're not far away from where the tree house is, like literally it's back that way, you know. So we're right next to the river right here. People can come and chill, you know, or you can swim. Well, it's not deep enough for you to swim, like to make a dive or something. It's not that deep enough, you know, but as you can see, it's good enough. It's so good enough. Clean. So the rainfall now wash away all the rubbish and everything. So it's coming all the way down up there, and I guess you have the fire water. See, it's not even far from the fire water, you know. The fire water is beyond that side. Guys, our Jamaica is so blessed when it comes on to rivers and all these stuff, you know. The food, it's just the nature vibes of everything, you know. We are so blessed when it comes down to that. I'm not lying, you know. Fresh, refreshing here, you know. The river, you come here chill, you know. Something here where you can relax and you can cook here, you know. So I guess Beam won't gonna realize this yet. She can come and do her cooking, you know. Can set up camp right here and cook right by the river. You can cook right by the river right here. This makes me don't want to leave. I'm telling you, it makes me don't want to leave from here. Right. Nice. Funny enough, it's been a while I've been swimming as well. So hopefully we can get somewhere to go and swim. It's been raining here. It's been raining down here. You know, in St. Anne's side, it's been a lot of rain since the New Year. Before the New Year as well too. So they've been getting a lot of rain. So let's go walk again. Nice. Oh, wonderful country. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Wow, that is Aye. Call me the bushman. Look at the wonderful piece of land over here, right next to the river. Yeah. Right next to the river, lot of bananas on the land as well too. You're a tourist around here?
My auntie's got a house around here. I'm born here.
Oh, you're born here?
Yeah, so I just come back to get some sun and fresh food.
Sure.
My auntie's got a home around here. So
my grandfather used to do butchering there.
Okay.
And we've got a house in village.
Okay.
But he has to come home sometime. Really.
Yes.
Yeah. So what are you then?
Me, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, you're a YouTuber?
Yeah, you know, I like the positivity.
I should have speak to them. My daughter and her boyfriend, they're the best person to go and speak to because they're young people, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're more the tourists more than me. You know, because where I'll go in the bush, she won't.
Oh.
They're British, innit?
They're British?
It's the England I come from, innit?
Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I hear the accent.
Yeah, the accent. Yeah, because I'm born in Claremont.
Claremont.
Yeah. But went to England and lived when I was to join my parents. So I went to school there. Well, I come home because this is my home.
Yeah.
I was trying to get a taxi to come round, but nobody taxi, so I'm just going down here to look about some paperwork because we're traveling back on. It was no reason to come here. There's no reason to come to your own country.
Yeah.
So where do you live then?
I live in Kingston, but I was living in England as well.
Okay, whereabouts?
I was in Streatham side.
Oh, just up the road from Elephant and Castle. That's
Are you
where I live.
Elephant Castle?
Yeah, but I'm from Croydon originally.
From Croydon, yeah. But I originally, you know, I'm from Brixton side.
Okay, just down the road. I used to do business down there.
But I left from there and I went to Bristol.
Okay.
So that was where I was living before I migrate back to Jamaica.
Yeah, it's not in them country there, so.
Nothing in England anymore, right?
Nothing here. When I'm a child, you can't choose where to go.
That is it.
And when I was 12 years old, I had no choice.
Yeah.
So my mom, I'm actually from Croydon side.
Yeah. Oh.
I just came down to get some fresh food. We walk all the way from Jacksonville down there. Jacksonville.
What?
Couldn't get no taxi.
Residents of the
that busy?
on Fort Bay.
Alright then, brother.
I'm walking same way, man.
River and other surrounding areas. We are inviting you to come on out to a public consultation meeting about a housing development project in the Negril area.
I was living there for like what, 16 years.
Sentence Bay Baptist Church.
Yeah, for 16 years. Just like I said, I was there as a younger child as well too. You know, but doing so, after a while, you just get used to everything and things change. Mash up as well too, because everyone called me said the same things. Like, you know, England's not like it used to be because, but no, it's been changing since I was there. It's been changing since 2006.
Yes, and what it is now, all these ones who's holding on to the British passport, sooner or later they're going to kick them out.
Yeah. They're just scaring people for no reason.
Especially the one them got married to get them stay. You understand?
Yeah.
I went to join my parents.
They're going to kick them out.
Eventually,
yeah.
Because some of them they are for 50 years and they don't look up. They still got their Jamaican passport and don't look for about any stay. You understand?
Yeah, true.
But as you know, it's our people that build up the country, isn't it?
Yeah.
And now they're kicking us out. You know? But England mash up.
Yes, mash up, man. Mash up. So your daughter, your son, they're in Croydon, same way?
Huh?
They live in Croydon?
No, that's my daughter and her boyfriend.
And her boyfriend, sorry.
No. She's still studying. I don't live in Croydon because my mom lived in Kingston. She migrated long time. Oh. Which is a good thing.
Back to Jamaica?
Back to Jamaica.
Of course.
She lives in Kingston.
Of course.
And that's the reason I'm looking to come back home now.
Yeah.
Because she's grown now and I just got one child, you know what I mean?
Exactly. Same thing with my mom. She's looking to come back home as well.
Where about she?
She's in Mitcham Lane.
Okay, I know Mitcham.
Yeah.
I know Mitcham.
She's looking to come back home now. She's like, you know, I cannot be here working all my life. You know, every day.
But I'm glad that my mom took that opportunity to come back when she did. Because guess what? It's all over there now. And she's an older lady. Then when just because the country is cool. And then what it is as well, the bills over there.
Hey, that is
it's like they triple the gas bill.
That is it. Even the house, the council tax, the council tax gone up. You know, everyone's crying on the council tax, the gas bill.
I'm telling you something, see if you don't pay the council tax and you're traveling, they can actually stop you at the airport, you know that.
If you don't pay a council tax now?
It's more important. No, from long time. The council tax is more important
than anything else. Because that's the queen money.
Like the rate now, yeah? Because that is going to the police and whatever. Like, the rent you can like tell the council, make an agreement with them to pay like what you can afford. You understand? As long as you're paying it.
Yeah.
But with the council tax there, they don't really mess. They will stop you at the airport, brother.
Yeah, because that's definitely what the Queen money, you know, the Buckingham Palace money.
She did know though.
Yeah, that is the Buckingham.
So where he was coming from around the corner there, my auntie used to live in England as well. And she came back and she's gotten a house home there. My cousin, my cousin come back over, she's coming down soon as well.
Okay.
The village really just
Around here, so yeah, around here is very nice.
very nice.
Very quiet as well too.
But where we are now, at the Draxall, is so this is what I'm saying, because the brother there, he's not a Jamaican, he's British, but his family is African, if it's what I mean.
Yeah.
So when there's young people want to travel here, I said to them, don't listen to what the news say, oh, you go to Jamaica, they kill a much people. No, sometimes it's the crowd you keep.
Yeah.
It's the crowd you keep, really, you know.
Yeah, true, of course, it's the crowd they keep.
And what you get, because we've been here from going a week now. This is our second week. Nobody not trouble us.
No, no one. We just walk same way and mind your own business. Hello. Listen. Of course.
So that's the big thing. If you're not getting
Yourself in any trouble.
let's say if you got foul rules, foul shit, we catch you in it.
Of course, alright, that is it. Say it again. that's the saying.
And my aunt now, they all grow up here, but she lives in Florida. So she came down.
You ever been to Africa yet?
No, I would love to.
Love to.
You been there?
No, I'd love to, you know, but
So you moved there with your family now?
yeah. My mom and dad is still in the UK.
Mommy, like your wife and children.
Mom and dad, they're back in the UK same way.
They need to come home.
Yeah, they're looking to come home soon.
But which area are you originally from?
We're here in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Kingston.
Oh, okay, you're Kingston.
Yeah, Kingston.
No, I'm from like Claremont.
Claremont.
Yeah, I was born in Claremont. You know where Claremont is?
Yeah.
I'm from St. Anne. They say it's the garden parish because I see a bush, me I see.
Yeah.
So yeah. And my grandfather used to do butchery in St. Anne.
Yeah.
But all that generation is gone now.
Yeah.
We're walking out, no taxi.
No, that's what I'm wondering. Is it?
The man said, no, he's a man, I think he's a British man. He said, oh, where will I walk from? I said, but we have to walk because we can't get a taxi in it. Everywhere full. And plus it was raining a lot.
Wow.
Yeah.
Raining now. And I can't imagine there's so much traffic same way. That guy said it was nice. There's your daughter over there. Here.
Oh, hello.
You're there.
Eric.
Alright then, take care, yeah?
Alright, take care, yeah? Alright. Hope I see you again, yeah?
Alright, we definitely will. Alright then, yeah.
Know that bridge again.
Eh?
No, yeah,
You know me?
Kino,
Yeah.
Churchtown.
Yeah.
Alright, this you know.
Right.
Radio station.
Right. What's up with
Johnny's.
Johnny's from Canada?
Yeah.
Not Love Bay. Love Bay station.
Afrobeat.
Afrobeat. Love Bay.
Yeah.
What?
I hope there's something there now. I say, yeah, that Kino that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Johnny's. Big up the Love Bay station. Whoa. #1 radio station. Whoa. Yes, Johnny's. Look. How coincidence is this? Imagine, and I've been down here, I'm saying let's walk, so I've been walking and talking, you know. And it's when day before yesterday, she sent me Happy New Year as well too.
Yes.
Johnny's Love Bay Station. Pick up yourself, Love Bay Station. Love Bay Station, our #1 station in Canada.
Tio and Johnny's.
Yes, pick up in yourself. Right here. I will meet up with right himself.
Yes,
big up, man. Look at that. So finally we get a chance to meet.
That man say, them supposed to come, you know, but yes, I'm retire, so I'm kind of back out of things, you know.
Yeah.
So, you know.
The same thing that lady was saying as well. That she's looking to come back home from the UK, you know.
Too cold, man.
Yeah, it's too much now. When you're reaching a certain age, you cannot be bothered with them weather.
Yes.
You want to come back home now, you know.
This is a
Good
surprise.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, man, Happy New Year
Good
as well
thing,
to man.
good thing,
Happy
man.
New Year, brother,
Yeah,
man.
man.
So
Big up the
look
chef,
at that,
man.
man.
Whoa.
Whoa, chef.
Whoa,
Whoa,
chef.
you know. Big up every time. Love beer station. Whoa. Let me just say, whoa. Janice. Big up yourself, Janice. TYB. Big up yourself every time. You know,
Love,
see?
love.
The connection is here. Love beer station.
In a
One love.
sentence, babe.
In a sentence, beer. They are soul true, and look at that. Love beer station. Janice,
Yeah.
big up your- when she see this, she gonna like, what?
She gonna tell you to get number for me.
Yeah. Oh, so she probably need a number for you, right?
Link her.
Okay. So you can just let her know that. Guess who I see? You know,
Yeah,
you know,
yes.
rolling by.
Yes.
So she
just
can
tell
watch
him
this
right,
video
right.
tomorrow and she will see. Tell her, I said, look out for the video tomorrow. You're gonna see me. I got a surprise there. Guess who
And
I
I've been
mean?
telling a lot of people about the thing that you're doing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
That, you
yeah.
know, it is very great, you know, and I appreciate how you're doing it.
Yes.
Reaching out to the needy, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So, well,
Yeah, man.
that's what we're meant to be doing, you know, try to help each other while we're here on this universe. Because that's how life is. You cannot be living for yourself, you know. It's good to enjoy life, but also help someone else up. That's more, it gives you a more joy of consciousness, you know. You
What do you
feel
mean?
more the inner,
Appreciate.
yes,
yeah,
the
man.
inner spirit,
Yes.
you feel more joy.
Yes.
You know,
Like-
guys, imagine helping someone from the ground level to they can stand on their
I
feet.
mean.
Just feel that when you're sleeping at night, how comfortable is that?
Yeah.
You know?
No matter how rich you are, you know, it's the good things that you learn, that you've done in life, that
Yeah.
makes your name live on.
Live on.
You know what I'm
That is
saying?
it. That is it.
That's the afterlife to me.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying? Your name live on.
Live on.
Yes.
Because people are good stuff because always
Do
live
good
on.
stuff.
Because
Yes.
sometimes it seems so.
Like Bob Marley.
Hey! You know, hold on. Rima. Hey, get them it again. Get them. Right, that. Yeah, step up it. Yeah, man.
We have step up in their life, them
Them
they like that. We about them all
Like newspaper. Hey.
Come on, up on here, time, sister. Big up yourself.
Hello, big up.
Tell us some water that turns so.
Big up. Every time. Big up
Love,
yourself.
dream team.
One
One dream
team.
team, one team.
One thing. Where you hide your face for? Where you hide your face for? Where you hide? Yeah.
Good deed, man. Good deed.
Yeah, the same thing.
Like Mr. Brown said, no man stands alone. You know,
No,
you cannot
no.
live in this world all by yourself.
No, you cannot.
I'm
You
saying,
cannot.
so, you know.
That is too selfish because
Good
if the Almighty was living for himself, it wouldn't be us. Because he will say that you cannot deal with so many people, you know. I just mind my own business, right?
Yes.
So he wasn't a selfish person, so we cannot be a selfish person amongst each other, but you have
God is-
good and you have bad.
God is the world and the world is God.
The word is God.
Yes, what I'm saying.
So
yeah.
he creates everything same for us to understand each other same, you know?
Oh yes.
That is how life is. And we have to try to bridge that gap and understand say, positive and negative
Yeah.
from the same creation.
Yes.
So we have to accept the negative that is there. But life is what you live.
Yes.
You know, it's how you live it. You know, it's not what you think it is, but it's how you live it. So if you
Yes.
live for good, it's only good can come back at you.
Do good
right?
and good shall follow.
So if you live for bad, it's only
Yeah,
bad's
man.
gonna come back.
Yeah, man.
So what kind of joy that serve doing bad? Nothing. But you have some people get some joy from doing that. And you wonder,
Well, it only lasts for a while, you know.
that is it.
It only lasts for a
That's
while.
only a good salvation lasts forever. Them always
Back
say.
in the days, me grew up with a lot of guys, and that's what I tell you, and they choose to do badness and they gone long time. Yes, what I say, police shoot them off, kill them.
Yeah,
so it's
yeah.
only you live by the gun.
You die by the gun.
Yes, what I'm saying. So
Die by the gun.
yeah,
But it seems that generation don't want to learn that code. Live by the gun, you will die by the gun.
No.
Do bad, bad will happen. But I guess they make that go through one year to the other.
it's it's
You know?
bouncing off, man.
Bouncing out,
Bouncing
man.
off. You not go through nothing. Then yeah, the younger
It's like
generation.
a mirror reflection back to
Yes.
them and say, yo, you know what?
Yeah, man.
You live this life and
Yeah,
that's
man.
it. You know,
Yeah.
but hopefully things will change.
Oh.
It maybe not,
Yeah.
you know, but sometimes the chaos bring peace.
Yes.
Sometimes people have to go through stuff in life to realize, say, yes, it can change.
Yes.
Some people go through near-death experience
Yeah.
before they believe there's a creator. You know, so people will go through stuff in life sometime, you know.
Yeah, man.
Because if the little boy is a baby, you tell not to touch that plug because it will shock you, right? no matter how many times I tell him don't touch that plug, it will shock you. It will never stop till when you touch it and you got the shock in them like, oh, say know what it feel like, not to touch it again. You know?
Yes.
And that's how it is with life, man.
Yeah, man.
Sometimes people like
Live
to
and
learn.
learn.
Yes.
Yes.
And some people like to learn the hard way.
Dangerous.
You know, but me, I like to listen. You know, prevention better than cure.
Every time.
Every time, you know.
Every time.
Because we don't bother with the cure thing, we don't prevent first.
Prevent it. Once you
Right.
prevent it,
Yeah.
you don't have to worry
Don't
about
have to worry.
curing it.
Yeah, man. Bless
Yeah,
up,
man,
yeah.
but January.
I'm glad to meet the guy, man.
Cause we're supposed to link up all three away and come to Jamaica and come check in.
Yeah.
But we still await for that. But you know what I mean, we kind of
Time,
run
man.
off, leave them still for a while.
Yeah.
But there's things that me have to get done.
Alright.
Me no left them, me no leave them. You know what I say? We just take a little
break.
you see.
So when the time right, man.
Yes.
Alright then, catch up, yeah? Bless up, man. Yeah, man. Happy New Year, man. Have a wonderful.
man.
Oh, Tony, I got to?
Yeah, man. Big up our chef for me, man.
Whoa, you know. Cause I'm just a walk about, you know, cause I'm with the D, but they're getting ready. So at the same time, just a walk.
Oh, the day at up?
Yeah.
Where them there?
She done by where she's staying by the Airbnb there.
Oh, okay.
Wango, you know.
Okay, man.
Jamaica
Man,
live.
if we come in at Chuck's Bake, we come introduce the Gaza bread, man. Wicked,
Yeah.
you know. Night, how we are, sir, man?
Gaza bread.
Yeah, man.
So, don't you gonna know?
Yeah.
So you know the person who runs it?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Gaza bread. Is the bread warm and nice?
Yeah, man. Hot bread come out, man. They sell it with Frankfurt and cheese and butter. It's up to you what you want.
So it's like
Even the
grotto.
Prime Minister they come by, you know. Yeah, man. It's like a little bread like this, but you know, shaped like that. Gaza, man. Wicked bread, man.
Alright, so
They come by 3 dozen, 4 dozen, 5 dozen. Yeah, man.
because there's a bread they used to call grotto bread.
There's
In Kingston, grotto and bread.
We
Okay.
have wheat grotto and we have just a normal grotto. The normal grotto have butter in there, but the wheat doesn't.
Oh,
and you
okay.
have the round bread too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So I have to come check it out there, man.
Yeah,
Say I can come get one myself.
Yeah,
I come
man.
try it out.
I can bring in them and come, man. And come big up the Gaza bread, man.
Oh well, we're going there right now. We'll check out the Gaza bread. Put something on the structure.
Yeah.
Right now. So right now we in
St. Anne's.
St. Anne's Gate
This
now.
is St. Anne's Gate. Marcus Garvey Church.
Yes, sorry.
Garvey. See the picture library there, picture in statue there to right there, so you know. I forgot to show you that.
Okay, so this is called the Marcus Garvey Town.
These are the library. I don't know if you want to look on it.
When I pass back. Well, it catch on the camera. It catch on the camera still, so this is the Marcus Garvey Town here in St. Anne's.
Marcus Garvey, where he was born, is up on here there. Marcus Street. They change it now. Right by the clock, you go straight up. They change it. But I can't run it through because I'm a legend, you know. I'm a baller, you know.
Yeah, like myself too.
Oh yes, man. I play for Parish of St. Anne, play for Black Star, I play for Brazil, I play National League Premier League. I got 2 footballers.
Hey.
So Mr. Fox, yeah. Yes, Mr. Fox.
Mr. Fox. Big up in and there, so. What position you play?
For me,
Yeah. You're a defender.
Right.
So what position you used to play in your days?
Forward.
Oh, you're forward.
Forward scorer, man. You can write up now the paper, everything.
Yeah, deadly striker and days.
Yeah, man. 2
So you know around your
Yeah, man.
from the back of your hand then.
Yeah, man. I was born in Alexander. I came here when I was 9 years old. So from 9 years until about 30.
Yeah.
30. And then I migrated in 1988 to Canada.
Okay.
Yeah, so
So there's some secrets around here where never been revealed where you can show about even some hidden river where we never been through. But there's any river around here like that?
well, one river up there, so, you know. Yeah.
The one where we pass?
This is called Pass River Bridge. Passover Bridge. Pass River. There's a river there.
Okay, we just
there,
passed.
the library is there.
Okay.
And this is the police station. And this is St. Anne's post office.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Original. So this is Marcus Garvey Town.
Yeah.
So this is when him come back from.
Spear, Garvey.
So this is when them deport him back from America. This is where him come, right?
I'm not so sure about that. I can't give you a positive.
But he was living
but
here.
He born here.
He born here.
He born here and then he went away, traveled around and went to the States.
Yeah, the
This is
NTV.
the old original post office.
Yeah.
St. Anne's Bay.
You can see it really look the old man. This built like it built from way them times,
Yes.
way back in the early times.
And this is the NCV, man.
Yeah.
That's just, all I hear was just mall.
Back in the
A
day.
big hole and they just, they build it up.
Oh, just pure mall and then build it up. So it's not long ago this built up then.
Probably about, I'd probably say about 25 years, something like that.
Yeah.
So because 88 when I was leaving here, it wasn't there.
Okay.
There was a mall wall, you know?
Yeah. So while you'll be playing some Master League then?
No, I juggle the ball, you know. Maybe I juggle like 100,000, you know what I'm saying? Without the job, you know what I'm saying?
Right now? Right now?
I still do it.
Right
I still be a portion, but you know.
Yeah.
So I only exercise now and just, take my ball, go over the field, the 10-15 laps and juggle the ball. You know
Okay.
Yes.
But Master League is your age group, walking football, you take your time and play. Still can score some goals.
No, I have some little problems with the muscles.
Oh, muscles.
So this is famous Bravo Street.
Bravo Street, yeah, because I was here the other day. So I guess the market go all the way back there.
This is probably where you walk, you know.
Well,
Tell me where you want to go.
so the market go all the way back there.
Yeah.
So is it like a circle? That's a circle, right?
Yes. It's just like from one end to the other. Once you reach hospital, then that's the end of Finance Bay.
Oh,
Then
okay.
it goes right down into Priory.
Priory,
And then
yeah.
it goes to Runaway Bay. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
CLM, Runaway Bay, Discovery Bay,
Yeah.
Falmouth, Trelawney, goes on.
Yes.
But-
Yeah. Okay, so the first time coming this direction.
So this is the original, this is the main street in Finance.
This is a one-way street, as I can see.
They turn it into a one-way. It used to be two-way
Two-way.
back in the days, but the
Too much
town has
traffic.
developed so much. You know what I say? Yeah.
So these are some new business that develop as well to in here.
So this is one of the original used supermarkets that's right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
very new. I can see this building is new as well. So this one,
Yeah, that's the club.
that's the original club.
Yeah.
That club now it kind of shows us that you're in St. Anne's Bay.
Yeah.
Like we have the Old Harbour club,
Yeah.
Chuck's Bakery.
This is a famous Chuck's Bakery, Gaza bread.
Oh, right,
Come on
yes, sir.
in, man.
Oh, so you get the Gaza bread.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Good day.
Hi, Miss Chuck. How you doing?
Is that Miss Chuck's?
Yeah, this is Miss Chuck.
Hello, Mrs. Chuck's. Good day.
This is Kino, Life in Jamaica. Yeah, if you watch it and it's on TV, Kino, like remember I was telling you and Sonia about it? Oh, this guy is doing good for the healthy people. Sonia know about it. Yeah, so
So this is Kina here in St. Anne's Bay.
Yeah.
And he's been telling me about the bread, the Gaza bread. So I have to go and try it. I need one with butter.
yes.
I need one with butter.
Where's Sonia? Kino, Life in Jamaica from Trenchtown.
Hello.
Yeah. What do you? Yeah. Let's use this.
Take your hand from your side.
Yeah. A nice warm one for it.
Yes, please. Some for the Gaza bread, and the rice been telling me.
Come back. Just give me 2 minutes.
Alright then.
Can I have 2 please?
So guys, I'm gonna try the Gaza bread. Right, telling me about it. So while we're here in Discovery Town, in St. Anne's Bay Town, rolling through. So this is where the Gaza bread is. So it's like gratin butter. Well, they got gratin and butter as well too. So it's warm bread where you put butter. You can have it with franks, anything of your choice what you like. Right? So you have it with cheese. You have it with cheese. You have it with butter, franks and cheese and franks. So why don't I have it with callaloo?
Callaloo loaf. Yung party they have color with callaloo loaf.
Them have pot in there?
No, not up there, so up that place up there, so.
But which them have the bread with cheese, bread with the butter.
I see my mama so we can have in that.
Yes, they've been so good. So this is the Gaza bread, guys. This is it. you know. So I'm gonna try it, you know, like
Man, nice man. Nice. That's our bread. Nice, me tell you.
Warm Gaza bread.
Nice. With the butter. We used to go to school and I so we come by it, you know.
Yeah.
I used to go to Marcus down there, so.
Okay.
Yeah, so when you come, we say one I can bread, bread and butter.
When lunchtime.
Lunchtime. How do we have a home?
You say, can you imagine? They used to have one in Kingston as well too. They call it gratin bread. When the Chinese man used to sell it. And they come out, you put the butter and it just melt inside of it.
Yeah, so the time when you talk about that, so quickly when you go about when they go to school and come back. When we are home.
This is the spot.
Yes, when we are home, we buy and gone over we yard with the ganga at up here again. Nice man, nice man.
Can you imagine?
Yeah man.
And up today you're still a mash it up.
Yes, I'm still a mash up the same way. Still a mash up.
But I'm gonna try it definitely.
Yeah,
Gaza bread.
yes.
But I'm should have put some colorloo in it.
I'm with that type of
you know? Hot colorloo, but maybe them just want to keep it as the brand.
I just add dry in.
Yeah, because you know with the butter it will melt, with cheese it will melt.
Yes.
So just keep it that way. You know, keep it that way. So what's it like down here in St. Anne's here?
St. Anne's be alright man, alright. Me I tell you, St. Anne's be alright. Until you see we get the grand market, that is it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So looking forward to get that.
Yes, to get grand market, yes.
So when next year the thing?
Next year again.
Okay.
If we go through this year and now, man.
So how was it this year, the grand market?
It's not too bad, too bad. We get the corona then good while then no.
Yeah.
So when they get done, so it's turn out, you know what just enjoy ourselves.
I missed it. So definitely I will catch it next year.
Yes, next year, that's all you do. Next year you catch it. You're coming out next year.
Yes, I will definitely.
In time too.
In time. I will definitely be here next year in time to catch it.
Yeah man, enjoy yourself.
Of course, cause I like the town, you know.
Yeah man.
Very quiet and
yes,
calm.
alright, yeah man.
When you're cool, it's not hot.
Not right.
You know, it's very cool, and I like that about it.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
This is it. All right, hold on. So this is. Yeah. Woo! It's hot.
Yeah. We are making some place.
So right now it's well hot. Guys, it's well hot.
I feel like this is current chocolate.
Okay. Hello. Welcome. Nice to meet you as well too. Boy, I've been hearing so much about your bread.
Yeah.
So now I have to try it. You know what missing as well, to look at colorloo inside of it. That's to me a vegetarian.
Okay.
So look colorloo in this. Oh.
You can explain yourself, you know, what you're doing.
Okay, so I'm you know, I do charity where I help out the less fortunate and the needy in around Trenchtown, you know, around Jamaica. So I have a strong audience of donors that always donate to the program.
Kingston?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we do charity. People that's in a less deprived condition, you know, I highlight them situation and people would donate to them. You know, so everything that I do is transparent. So if you send $1 for Tom, you will see the dollar on the video. Right? Nothing goes to no one or anywhere, it's straight to the client.
So why only Trenchtown?
No, not only Trenchtown, that's where it's based for, that's where it starts from. But I do in and around Trenchtown. So it's not only Trenchtown. Even here in St. Anne's, there's a lady here in Salem that I highlighted on the program, and she got a lot of support as well too. So it's everywhere I go and I shine this camera, people will get help. If I cannot reach to them, I will give out their contact details and people will contact them and help out them situation. So it's everywhere in Jamaica. Not just Trenchtown, but Trenchtown is a... Huh?
How long are you doing this now?
Over 3 years now. Yeah, over 3 years now. It's only because Trenchtown is where it started from, you know. If you see Trenchtown and you hear about Bob Marley, you might think you're looking at a tourist area. But people is really living in a real poor condition right now. So I was born and grew here before I migrated to England.
Okay.
So when I come back and I see that people still living the same way, I decided to use my platform to help who can help. So that's where it started from. But while I'm doing that, there's so much people contact me through phone calls for them saying need help in around Jamaica. So I try to give the help in anything. Back to school, you know, everything you can think of. So that's what I do.
So you still live in England or are you back in Jamaica?
I'm back here now in Jamaica. So I'm living to helping you know, whenever I can. So that's what I do.
Karen.
So I'm gonna try a bread before it gets too cold. You know, so the world to see it. The famous Gaza bread, guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go inside to give me some inside to see how it creates. And trust me, my first bite was so amazing. So soft. I'll be hooked on bread. For sure my belly won't get too big eating too much bread. No. So this is mommy and daughter. Wow. But you don't show age. What's the remedy for that? Tell me please. Hard work. No, you have some people really work hard, but I don't know, probably age show. But you got something behind it.
No stress.
That's one of the main one. No stress. Yeah, because what's inside it will show outside, right? So that's the main one. No stress. What's the next?
Rest.
Rest. Yeah. That's two. That makes sense.
And travel.
And travel. Oh.
And eat right. Yeah.
And eat right.
Too.
Alright. A lot of vegetables and stuff. But I can see it, you know. Your skin just look pure and rich. You know. So clean and everything. Is it the bread?
Such a nice man.
Thank you. So guys, it's the bread.
He has a building crew now that build the houses.
Yes. Got a team.
He has about
20.
About 20 now. 20 people.
Yeah. They all volunteer. Yes. To help out, you know.
That's quite commendable. Keep up the good work. Oh, this is my sister.
Oh, this is Sonia.
Oh, okay. How are you?
Good to meet you, Sonia.
Finally, me to meet you.
Yes,
Finally.
yes.
And I'm here.
Yes.
Checking out this wonderful bread.
Okay, thank you very much.
So now I'm gonna get some insight.
Yes,
How
please.
everything works.
Yes.
Boy, the bread nice. Man, I like.
Thank you.
Guys, this bread is nice. I thought there was lime, but it's so nice. Look, you can see inside of it. Red melt inside. Wow, so show what I go on in. So we'll go down in the bakery.
Okay.
Oh wow. Okay.
Alright. Gentlemen, this is Keynote, Life in Jamaica. Right? Fundraising donation company, right?
And charity.
Yeah, charity. It does it all over the world. So this video, everybody over the world are going to see on the face.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So we are big up the Gaza bread. No.
So now if you are work for now. Alright, so tell me what can I help you on? Destiny.
Yes,
so tell me what can I help you on?
So Kino,
I want to work for material right now. Black, tan, every damn thing we want to build me out. Right now. Right. It's a leak right now.
Which part?
Charlestown, St.
How far is that from here?
Just right up here, about
what you would do, you come by your place and video it.
Yeah, so
video reach out
of course.
and donate.
So right now you say you really need some help, right?
Everybody needs help. One deck of the house. Just that one. And couple blocks.
And couple blocks. You're not asking for much?
No, just that me just.
You just want some materials, right? Anything.
Yeah,
you see? It's not bad. It's not bad for asking.
No,
right? So with that now.
That's a tight truth for one want me ask.
And when you ask, you shall
yeah, come to TV all Susan. No people receive for Susan. I'm just starting to come through.
Of course.
Yeah.
What we do?
No disrespect, I'm gonna say that.
Yeah. But I will take a contact number.
Yeah.
You know, I'm here in St. Anne's now where you can come and reach out. Right, you show me what's going on.
Yeah, man, tell you.
Yeah, I'm from Trenchtown. So we do charity, we help out people around the town, anywhere we go.
Okay.
So there's a lady, same place in St. Anne's here where I'm giving some help as well.
You have your phone?
You know, so once you have WhatsApp and everything, I can make the people them contact you and then can help out the situation. But we have to show them what you're going through. Yeah, man, so there's no pride in asking for help because from the help is one thing. And this is what you're working to make ends meet, right?
Yes.
Come on, understand. No, no, because it's a little, you cannot do what you really want to do, you know?
Alright,
so I'm going to take a number.
Yeah, man, you can do that.
Yeah, take a number for me.
Yeah, man.
Right, so this is how The Gaza bread being made. So this is the route they make at the door.
Yeah.
This is where it made from. Just in general, Kino. Yeah, so you can check it out on YouTube, you know, Kino Life in Jamaica. Because I tell you, see it, I know I still eat it, but I can't go on video for it to see where it created from, like what I'm saying. The baby was born. So this is the creation from in the belly. You know, so this is the dough. Very nice. And so, tell me, how you make this dough? How you make it, I just the cut on the roller?
The machine.
Oh, the machine here. So you're mixing this. I know that even far up because my dad used to make patty, you know. My dad would make patty. Yeah, so I always make the dough as well too, but
Yeah, man, make the dough and you rolling pin out.
yes, the rolling pin, and then you have the thing to cut it out, put the meat inside and close it, you know.
So Kina,
Yes,
this
sir.
is how they knead the bread. The guys the bread.
Yeah, for me.
Okay. After they knead it,
Big machine.
yeah, they transfer it from over here, bring it over here, and get it all tuned up nice and flat. And this is what it end up like.
After.
Yes. And they cut it, yeah, and they knead it, and that's the Gaza there.
Right.
But we have different type of bread. We have like 7
Okay.
big bread, like 2-3 pounds.
Yeah.
2 pound, 1 pound.
Okay. I'm saying it's not far off from my dad. He makes patty.
These are the duck bread that we make for Christmas.
Okay.
Yeah, there's tons of them.
It really looks like a duck.
Yes.
So this is the oven, right?
That's the oven.
This is the oven. This is I never expect it would have been this big.
Yeah,
round
there's
here.
2 of them, but only this one includes for now. Yeah, and this is
This is after.
yeah. These ones are freshly coming out. They're right behind here. Yeah.
So these ones
Yes.
can feel the heat
Yeah.
and everything. So this is where the bagging take place.
We have to wait till they cool down because you can't make it too hot.
Too hot, yes.
Yes.
So I
So
guess
they don't.
they deliver to other places as well too.
No, well, we
Are
have
just
people
here?
that goes out and sell bread for us. You know what I'm saying? A
Okay.
few people, but we're trying to get there. You know.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
working on that.
Okay, so it's like you deliver them or you just sell it on the street or there's a space where you're selling it?
Well, we have we had about 3 workers that they have their little district that they go and supply them with bread.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so they buy from them. You know, it's like on a regular.
Yeah.
Every week.
Okay.
Every week. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. So it's good business because I never expect it's going to be this big around here.
Yes.
Yeah, bless it, my general. Big up yourself every time.
You're gonna be all over the world.
Yeah, definitely.
Cartel. Tabo Gaza.
Yeah.
Oh, the Gaza when we do is Gaza bread.
Gaza.
Come from Jamaica, West Indies.
That is it. And me come now and taste the Gaza bread and trust me.
See?
See them? The Gaza bread. It's really nice with you. You know, this got me hooked right now.
So, this will be hard one.
It will be on YouTube tomorrow, then all over. Yeah, the Gaza bread. So we're here. And we're not talking about Gaza in Portmore. We're talking about the Gaza bread in St. Anne's Bay,
Jamaica, West
Jamaica.
Indies.
That is it. And we're in the mark of Garvey Town, right? That's what you
Yeah.
said? The Garvey Town. Before everything gets done. See them and it's quite surprising. I never expected it to have been this big, you know? It's really big, trust me. Quite surprising. Yeah. Big oven. You don't want to get down in there.
Yes, man.
Yeah, you take his number?
Yes, take me number. Yeah, take me too. You have to take me number too, man. You have to take me number too.
Which part you live? Close by here?
Yeah, just down up there.
Alright, private. Give me a number then. Come give me a number. Wow. Gentlemen, just continue the great work, yeah? Yeah. See you there. Every time. See them. And after this now, the process in the oven. God, that bread. Wow. So good. Guys, right now, I have to take another bite of my bread. So lovely. Nice. Alright, uncle here. Roll here. Caught me by surprise. Yeah. It's really caught me by surprise. You can see why. Mommy, thank you so much. It was lovely around here. Caught me by surprise. You know, when I get to realize that even the Prime Minister came down here as well too. And I can realize why. Yeah, I realize why. You got a good thing going on, man. You know, continue. It is for the future.
My daughter to be the constituency member here, but
she turned it down?
yes.
Why?
Many reasons.
Many reasons. But I guess him still have that half on the table. I still got the offer still on the table, right?
Yes.
So hopefully your grandchild can come and do it.
Who to tell?
Who to tell, you know? It makes a lot of sense, you know, because I like what you're doing, you know?
Yes.
So you're also giving back by employing people, you know?
And sometimes I distribute bread to the community, the churches or any event.
Yes, sir.
I always support the amnesty.
Okay.
Yes.
So I,
550 bread.
The bread I have is leaf one for 5.35. No white one. You want this? You have a bag?
so I guess in the future, we will distribute some Tequila Life in Jamaica
Yes.
to give the less fortunate.
Well,
Bread. Trust me, these guys are really caught me by surprise, you know? I never knew there was so much thing going on around there, trust me. And the bread, really nice. I'm not even lying, this bread is really nice. Thank you so much, a pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much. And the daughter around there, see, I'm getting so much privilege. Hello, hello. Hello, I'm going now.
Alright,
So
nice to meet you.
Same.
All the best.
It's a pleasure, you know.
Yeah, man.
We'll definitely be see each other
the
soon.
work. Keep up the good work.
Definitely.
And we'll keep in touch.
Alright.
Alright,
I'm looking forward to get some of this Gaza bread to be given out to the less fortunate,
Alright.
you know, in the future.
We'll arrange it.
Alright then.
Alright, take it easy.
Yes, ma'am.
God bless.
Alright, yes. Gaza bread. Mommy,
alright.
have a wonderful new year. Okay, Sonia.
Alright, thanks for coming back.
Yeah, man, no problem, man. Alright, no problem. Wow. So, the bread nice, man, I lie. A guy. That's the contact number up there.
So this is the street and that lead you. It's called Market Street, but yeah, I think there is planning to change it to Marcus Garvey Avenue. Yeah. So we go up there and turn around.
Yeah.
And then Marcus Garvey, that's where we'll come.
Okay, so where we're heading now?
All right. So this is the famous. This is the clock.
The clock. This is the famous clock.
Yeah.
Famous clock.
Yeah. So this is the market. This is what it looks like. Yeah. They don't sell food in the market much anymore.
No.
It's outside. Everything is outside.
Everything is outside, as I can say.
Yeah.
So usually it used to be inside there.
Inside.
But now it's
They
all
not
closed.
allowing anybody to sell on the street.
Okay.
Yeah, but now it's all closing and stuff like that in the market. If you go in there now, it's empty.
It's empty.
Yes.
Wow. The things just changed, but it's changed for the better.
Yeah.
It's not for the world.
All around there used to be beef and fish and
The meat market.
inside the meat. Yeah.
Okay.
And it's all
Okay, okay. So there's no meat sell inside here anymore, neither.
This is Kino Life in Jamaica. Yeah. If you go on YouTube, you see him. He's from Changetown. What he does, he has like a charity fundraising thing for the poor and stuff like that, and people from all over donate.
Yeah.
And what he does now is show your life. Go to the person and show your life that he's giving the person that what you don't.
Yeah. So everything is transparency.
Yeah.
So we always highlight the positivity of the country. You know, them always speak about the negative mostly. We are about Jamaica. You know, and the vendors and that help out a situation, like, you know, show how them ends meet. So I always try to highlight that more than highlight the bang and the negative and all of that. You know, people need to see the good side of what people do to go through life, see them on a day-to-day basis in Jamaica. You know, more than highlighting the negative and the bag of Ray and all these good things.
You know, it's a weekend.
It's almost the weekend.
They still do. Okay, I start, they were shut down.
Because in here used to...
Well, there's no food anymore, right?
Like what?
Like upstairs there. There used to be top market that was closed.
Just closed now.
Clothing, right? No, no more food. Yeah, food is mostly outside, but not much in here.
Food down there, yeah man.
Yeah.
Then be food on here.
Yeah.
Because in here so used to be the active meat market, right?
Yes.
But it's not as much active or it used to be.
It's not so active.
It's not so active, yeah. So what they're planning to do with this then after they kind of close them?
No, they're gonna fix it.
They're going to fix it up.
They active now, a tree butcher in here.
Just three. You see what I'm saying? Yeah.
They got a lot of stations, see me.
Yeah, the rest of them.
Because Stago was the original
they don't.
and
Oh,
the Banbury them, and there's son
But
of
the Banbury son them,
continue.
no, they still do butchering, but they don't do no business.
Okay.
They're not doing any business now.
Not anymore. So if people want to come, them still can come and rent a station.
Come and rent the station and operate it.
Okay, so that means that there's so much station here. So we need more butcher down here then. So we need more butcher down here because the station them is not fully booked.
No, not full of book.
Okay, so there's more availability here, same way, if anyone watching, you know. There's
About
more,
9 and only 3 occupied.
there's only 3 occupied.
Only three butcher here.
So we have 6. Okay, then you're a butcher yourself, right? And you as well too? No. So you sell, what kind of meat you sell? What kind of meat you sell?
Beef, pork, ground beef, ground chicken.
Yeah. So I make you give you goat meat. So just shout out your telephone number just in case if anybody want to get in contact. If they don't really want to come to the market and then can call you and meet you for meat or something. 1876
866 3256.
It says 1-876-866-3256.
56.
So Andrea, so you can contact her if you don't want meat. You don't deliver meat.
No.
So okay,
No,
so if
deliver.
you come here, you can
Just
call her.
ask Andrea.
Yeah, she can prepare it for you. Fresh meat. Everything
And we have the
fresh.
saw where I cut it up any style they want it. Pork chops. Anywhere, wherever they want it.
Alright, come to see how people have restaurant and all of these that can watch this program, you know, so just look out for your call, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, take care. Okay.
Alright.
Happy New Year as well, yeah? Have a wonderful year. So more successful within the business. It will happen, you're gonna see. Yeah? Alright. Yeah. So yes guys, as you can see, you know, we need more butchers. We need more butcher and everything.
That was the top market. This is your butcher and this is bottom market. You see? There's the activity inside here is not.
It's lesson right now. The lesson. And then maybe true, you know, it's after the holiday. So spending kind of cut down now. This is the slow part. Hello. Alright. This is the slow part of the year right now. The setback.
Yeah.
So everybody to get back. Alright. This is the setback now, you know, when you come on to January.
So this used where it used to be the coal market. I used to sell coal down.
Coal,
there.
okay.
Yeah, but I don't know think they do it anymore. So you just food and stuff. Yeah.
The
So,
market is quite big, you know. We never expect it was so big.
so this is like this is the fruit, you know. This is Musgrave Street and that's Wall Street.
Okay. That's what by the main there.
Yeah.
We always drive fast, everything.
Right here is a bus park. Left there.
Yeah.
Bus park. So this is like the end of this side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go to
the area.
the area.
Yeah. Down here used to be, this is what they call the ghetto.
Don't necessarily. Everywhere you always have a ghetto, you know.
Yeah, man.
You are, anywhere you see up.
That's where Brazil originated.
Brazil?
Yes, football team Brazil.
Is it?
Yes. Not the, you know.
Oh, not the one in Brazil, but
yeah, they used to be at the top of the line team. Play all of those leagues in Kingston and everything.
So you used to play football the same day as Alan Skillcole?
I played against him already.
Yeah?
Yes.
How good is he?
Yeah, very good. Very good. I think he's the best I've seen so far at Jamaica, you know.
Well, I wish them have some video clip with him. We could actually see him.
Yes.
Because I don't have no video clips of him.
Yeah, man, I played against him. He was playing for House of Dread.
House of Dread. So how come they don't have a video clip of him playing football?
I don't know. If you dig deep, you know.
Because I dig deep.
He's under pressure right now, you know. He's in the hospital. He needs blood.
Oh.
Yeah, I saw that on the internet. Wow. Okay, so this is it.
Okay, so this is it.
This is
the bus street now.
All here used to be water.
Water?
Yes, it used to be 3 wharf. One down there, church, one here, and one up here called Cutter Wharf. So this is where they used to store like all the pimento, rice and sugar and stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah, the wharf used to be here and the boat, the ship would come out here and they would
okay, the fame in Burning Spear.
Yes.
So you have a Burning Spear land over there.
Well, he gave it up.
Okay.
It used to be Spear Gavel land. That's where Jalov and all those big sons used to play.
Yeah.
Yes. That's where I play with Bob Marley, Alan Skillcole and Burning Spear. We play for £1 of ganja. Yes.
You?
Well, I don't smoke no more.
Big baller.
I was 66.
So how good was Bob Marley? Cause we only see clips of him. How good was him, be honest, playing football?
Well, put it this way, he wasn't competitive.
Okay, but he just loved the sports.
He loved the sport, but he didn't have, you know, because he have never played like say really, you know, like
for a club, professionally.
Yeah, he used to play. I think he played for House of Dread and stuff like that.
Okay,
you know,
okay, House of Dread.
Yeah, but mostly, you know, like he wasn't a top of the line baller that, you know. He loved the game.
He loved the game.
He loved the game. So down there now, where you see, it's Burning Spear now.
Okay.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying, if anyone watching, you can direct me to a link where I can see Alan Skillcole, you know, in them days, because people always tell me about him.
You have to reach out to him.
I need a clipping of him.
Hyde and them guys, those guys probably have a clip.
Yeah, man, you need to get a clippings of him, man, because them say he's the best Jamaica ever have, you know.
Then remember Pele wanted him to come and play for Brazil.
Exact, Santos, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if Pele himself want them man to come and play, listen, I need some clippings.
Turn it down.
And turn it down.
Yeah.
And so you think I'll know we don't have someone as good as him as yet in Jamaica?
Man, because when I was about 14, 15, I see him playing. He came to Rhino Park to play for House of Dread. And I see a guy the ball came to him and his opponent was there. And the ball came and he just go like that and stamped the ball just go right around.
Everybody.
Right back to him.
That's so like something out of a movie.
Yeah, man.
That's how magical he was.
Yeah, man. He was but lazy, you know.
Yeah.
Very skillful player, but lazy.
So it's like Messi when they really do too much work. But when he have the ball at his feet, that's when all the miracles happen, right?
Yeah, man.
So this is by the end of the month. This is the bus park we're at now.
Yeah.
I'm saying it was a wonderful journey. And I like the experience of knowing this place, you know?
Yeah, man. So that's the tax office.
Over there.
Tax. You can see it.
Yeah. And you can see the line already.
Yes.
You can see the line. The tax office. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Hold on there. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah.
Total wild kid, alright, my brother. Yeah, man.
Thank you so much, man.
Do you want to go? Where she there?
She there, man. She not got meet now.
Just to see her, she can't never meet her before, right? First.
See there? Alright then, thank you.
Alright, Tino, alright.
Alright,
Tell me that as we see you.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much for watching, yeah?
I'm afraid I believe in her. Yeah, brother, my Oliver.
Carla,
I watch everything, man.
Yeah.
I'm afraid I believe, man.
Alright then, big up, man.
Alright.
Yeah? Alright, man. So, thank you so much, man.
You can pass back down the vehicle.
Yeah, man,
Come
so-
back in the afternoon, because that's the time I'm down there. Alright?
Alright, then,
Respect
so we
yourself.
contact it. Yeah, man. Big up.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. So we give thanks to Ra, you know, for showing me around, explaining some more about Sentence Bay, you know. So big up yourself, right? Love Bay Station. Whoa! Big up the Love Bay Station. Whoa! #1 radio station. Whoa! Cross the wave, cross the ocean. Whoa! Big up the Love Bay Station. Janice, big up yourself. TUIB. Blessed love. So we just met Ra and Ra give us some insight of Sentence Bay. So guys, it was a blessing. So we give thanks. We give thanks. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.